Hello and welcome to your 2-minute tech briefing from Computer World. I'm your host, Arnold Avick, reporting from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Here are the top IT stories you need to know for Thursday, February 26th. From Computer World, cyber attacks are accelerating. This as AI shrinks the time from breach to impact faster than human defenders can respond. According to Palo Alto Network's 2026 Global Incident Response Report, in the fastest attacks analyzed, threat actors moved from initial access to data exfiltration in 72 minutes, down from nearly 5 hours in 2024. Many breaches still stem from basic apps like weak authentication, poor real-time visibility, and misconfigurations. From CSO Online, a new security bypass has users unintentionally installing AI agent OpenClaw. Researchers have discovered that a compromised NPM publish token pushed an update for the widely used client command line interface containing a malicious post-install script. The post-install added OpenClaw, which has broad system access and messaging integrations like WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, Discord, iMessage, and Teams. According to research by security platform Socket, the script was live for 8 hours on the registry. And from Computer World, new research suggests AI agents usually perform better with step-by-step instructions from a human. Researchers who developed a new benchmark called SkillsBench found the best performances came from agents with curated skills, which scored an average of 16.2 percentage points higher than agents with no skills, an indication that AI cannot yet do without human intervention. SkillsBench evaluates agentic AI performance on 84 tasks across 11 domains, including healthcare, manufacturing, cybersecurity, and software engineering. For more enterprise tech news, visit Computer World, CIO Network World, and CSO Online. And don't forget to like and subscribe on the Tech Talk YouTube channel.